I would consider this tool essential. If you're a BMW rider, the product I'm about to show you might make the difference between an incredible journey or the end of your ride. Welcome back everybody to the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is John, and I'm currently standing next to Carolyn's 2023 F750GS in triple black. And it is an incredible motorcycle. And as most people that ride BMW knows, they're technical marvels. And you might have to make sure you have all the tools to make things work. Now, I'm a tool guy. I still have the very first tool I ever owned from my 1968 Suzuki TS80. And I've kept it with me the whole time, and it's kind of a good luck charm. But a real good luck charm is something that we just discovered, and that is the HEX GS-911. Now, we want to thank the people at Ted Porter's BeemerShop in California for providing the product for this video. Now, they were aware of our motorcycle journey and all the things we've done, and so they thought it would be great if we took the opportunity to review, test, and experience the HEX GS-911. Now, we were familiar with it, and we never had the opportunity to own one, but boy, are we glad we did. I don't know why it took so long. This particular product is more than a tool. In North America, 911 is what we call in case of an emergency, and you would definitely love this in the case of an emergency. But it's more than just that. It's something you can use in your day-to-day. If you do your own maintenance, or if you're out on the road and you experience a problem like we did. Carolyn was riding her F700 through Glacier National Park, and the bike just kept dying. And we could not find that problem. We could not get a solution to that problem, and we had no idea what it was. That being said, it was 1,000 miles of putting the bike on a trailer and taking it down to Salt Lake City from Northwest Montana till they found the problem, and they did it by clearing the code. So, all right, so why do you need a HEX GS-911? Well, this thing is going to solve a lot of problems for you. Number one, if you do your own maintenance, it is something you can use to check all of the diagnostics on the bike. And if you're a BMW rider, you know when that service reminder comes on, it really is nice to know, but boy, can it be annoying. And this helps you eliminate that problem. We live in Central Oregon. We're 150 miles, 3 hours away from the nearest BMW rider. And on this bike now, we do our own service work. So it is one of those things that it helps solve that problem for us. Also, it is one of those things that can give you real-time information. So you will be able to get the data from the bike in real time to know exactly what's going on. It reads all of the faults that have happened in the system, and it allows you the opportunity to reset those, which is exactly what we needed to do to cure a problem on an earlier BMW. So let me show you how easy this product is to use. First of all, we have the GS-911 in Wi-Fi. Once again, the BeemerShop has several different versions of this available to you, and Carolyn will put a link in the description directly to their website, their business. They are remarkable. They were so quick and so responsive to everything that we had as questions along the way. And so I highly encourage you to make sure you check out their things. They actually have a couple other products that we're going to test later on for them. But it's as simple as on this particular bike, removing the seat and accessing the onboard diagnostic port. So it's right here. You pull the onboard diagnostic port off, and then you're going to place the HEX GS-911 in the port. We haven't turned the bike on or anything. What's happening right now is the device is connecting to this particular motorcycle. It knows the VIN numbers, it knows everything about the bike that has been stored in this bike's computer. All that's done is it told this device what bike it's attached to. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to register this product. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to our laptop and we're going to hook it up to the laptop. It's easy to disconnect. And now we're going to go over there. Once we've got the laptop and we've hooked the device into the laptop through the supplied cable, we are going to go to that particular application. We're going to register the device, and we're going to make sure that everything is connected to the cloud, because that allows us to do many more functions this particular product has as features. This one has its own Wi-Fi network, and so you're able to do everything you need to do remotely, and that is a really great feature, especially for people that are out and about on long journeys. Okay, after we've got the device registered and logged in, we can place it back in to the diagnostic port. And once it links to the bike again, we'll turn the bike on. And at that point, this device is able to do everything. Now, we link it through the app on our phone. So as you can see, the GS-911 provides you access to a ton of information. Basically, what we'll do is we'll go through and learn exactly what we want to add, adjust, alter, modify, and this device gives us the ability to do just that. So at this point, give me a second to get out of the app, shut everything off, and then I'd like to talk to you about one more thing about this that I think is really exciting. Well, like most motorcyclists, there are tools that they help solve a problem, and some tools I would consider essential. If I'm a BMW rider, I would consider this tool essential. It's light, it's convenient, weighs less than a cheese sandwich, so it can go right in your tank bag. And if you're out on the road and you're experiencing some of the problems we've had, you're going to be able to solve them in real time with nothing more than this device and your smartphone. Well, right now, Carolyn is shopping for some other things for this particular bike, some accessories, horns, lights, all that kind of stuff, because the other thing that the fine people at the BeemerShop have sent us is they sent us the HEX EzCAN, which is going to be a power management system for this bike. And as everybody knows, if you ride a BMW, that CAN bus system, it can be a nightmare. This is going to solve another problem for you. Now, if you are enjoying this kind of content, if it's something that it helps you, please like and subscribe. It's one of the things that really helps us. And we want to thank the people at the BeemerShop. They're providing the product, gives us the opportunity to talk and share it with you. We really do appreciate that. So look for the description below, and we're looking forward to you traveling safe and seeing you out on the road. Okay, detected vehicle. And let's go to service reminder. Service reminder functions, retrofits and removals. Nope. Reset service reminder.
Yeah.
Okay, just reset service reminder to default 365 days, or choose a custom date or mileage. So let's go choose a custom date.
That's what I think we should do.
Okay,
Reset.
and next service is
Like April 1st.
do March.
March 31st. 15th.
March 15th. And 2026. And next service due at, okay,
Okay.
continue. Okay,
Okay.
did it.
Oh my gosh.
And it's off. Do auto scan.
I appreciate that. So based on this, we've got faults detected.
So an engine controller 1.
I don't know what
Your
that
two
one is.
for your tire pressure. So I don't know either, but we're going to reset those codes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then if something comes back up, then what we'll do is rescan. I haven't had a miss on this machine or anything, so.
Okay.
So
Clear
we're gonna-
all faults.
Okay.
None. Everything's off. So let's go ahead and rescan and see if it cleared it.
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're good. And now we can make a video